Welcome guys on another video on Marco Bricks, and today is the 27th of December, so as you know it's Lego World Building Day, and for this day I'm going to make two sets. The first one that I'm going to show you is this beautiful car, which is the Lego Chevrolet Camaro Z28. It's one from the collection of the big cars, which include the Caterham 7, the Mustang, the Mini, the Porsche 911, Turbo or Targa, it depends on how you like to build. And recently they made a partnership with the Chevrolet, and they bring us two models. One is the Camaro Z28 from 1969, and the other one is the Corvette ZR1. But now we're going to build the Camaro. I'm going to show you the Corvette in another video. And as you can see, previously we have the front, now we have the back. It's fully customizable. These are the dimensions of the car, like 35.5 cm for 9.5 cm in height. We have a photo of the real car, I mean not in this color scheme, but red with black stripes. We have black with white, grey or red stripes, and also we can make it convertible, like we can put on the top or we can put it out the top. And as you can see, we have the driver plate that says Panther, or as you can see here, it says Chevy 69. So it's really beautiful with this detail. And well, I hope you like this set. I hope you are going to build something too. And let's start with the speed build of the Lego Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Oh guys, so let's start by opening the box. As you can see here, I always use a brick separator to do that, because it's kinda useful in this way. Now we are seeing that Lego, with this message, tell us that it's going to build to use a lot of paper, recycled paper, to make also the bags. And now we have the book of instruction and the stickers that are these. And this is the book with the car. And now let's start with bag number 1. Now we have the booklet of instruction with all the model of the Camaro that came out in the year, the designer of the set, and all the version that you can build this set. Explanation of the bags. Now let's start with the first piece, which is this gray plates. Structure. I don't know how to call it. Let's add some black long tile. These are actually Technic pieces that are used to connect between normal Lego and Technic Lego. Now let's continue by add what is the basement of our car. Let's add some reinforcement here. Now let's put on these plates. Start build. These are the parts. Let's put it here. And so here, these two gray pieces. Let's add some red. Another blue piece. Some black tiles.
Now some red parts here, like to attach the piece on the side of our car. Let's add these black inclinated tiles, and now let's continue with the attachment point for the seat. Let's place this gray plate, this black one, this other piece in the front. But let's correct here because I forgot the undertail. There was this actually this gray piece that were going under the black parts. So let's build this part. And for bag 1, that's all. Now let's start with bag number 2. Let's take some photos. We have actually a really nice piece with 5 stamped on it. Let's hope that all the pieces are inside of this set, because a lot of time I have problems recently with the Lego pieces that are missing. Actually, especially in the big car set. I mean, when I built the Mustang, I was missing a piece. When I built the Porsche, I was missing a piece. So actually, I have some pieces that can be exchanged for this set, but as you can see, we have actually some unique color which are really rare, like the Bordeaux, which is a big part of this set. So let's hope it's alright. Now let's continue by add this part that actually will be the part where we link the tires. Now let's place also this part here, here, here. And now let's start build the center console. Here we have our 5-piece. Now let's continue build this part. Let's place the first stickers. As you can see, I'm trying to use now the brick separator to stick the piece, in this case the radio piece. And it's actually good to place the stickers. I suggest you can try it. You can give it a try. Now let's continue by building this part. And well, guess what? A piece is missing. So let's call Lego. Actually, Lego, help us. They sent this piece really fast, like 2 days after this piece has arrived. So let's continue the build. Luckily, they were really fast. I don't know if it's because it's under Christmas and it's the Christmas period now, so they're really fast in shipping. But yeah, fortunately, this piece arrived like 2 days after. Now let's stick the steering mechanism. Now let's continue to build this muscle car. Let's add some piece here that will be inclinated in a certain angle. These pieces were actually really difficult to place because they have also the other little dot that came out, and it will interfere with the, like the bulb, the black bulb that we have placed before. But now let's put them on the right angle. Let's place these big black bars, also this one. Now let's continue with these red pieces that will link and stabilize our steering wheel. And that's all for bag number 2. Let's go now with bag number 3. I never see this piece before, so I'll show you, because yeah, these were actually really strange. Let's place it in position. This will actually be the piece where we link our back windows, back windshield, rear windshield, I don't know how you call it. Rear windshield would be right. Now let's build this other part here, which will be the part in the front of the car. Continue by add this piece for the steering wheel mechanism. So these red parts here, let's link this blue one, and let's place all together. I mean, guys, this is really funny, not funny, but engaging how to build this set, because it's fun, it's nice to build. You have a lot of building techniques, like from technique part to creator part. Now let's link all together, but it's nice. I suggest you buy this set just now, because it's yeah, it entertains you. So let's continue to add this piece that will be like the angled part of the front of the car. Like this. And like the other one, right here. Let's place all the pieces that will compose our engine right here. And here, our big block V8. Let's place the front here. Now some other side panels. Let's add some reinforcement here. Check something here on the instruction, because yeah, there's a piece missing. I was fixing it. And now, right now, we are good. And let's see you in part 2.